Visionis is proud to introduce our indoor 12-volt 1,100 pounds of force electric strike with long plate. Model number VIS-EL100-FSE is our fail-secure lock. Model number VIS-EL101-FSA is our fail-safe lock. Please note that these mag locks are strictly meant for indoor purposes and under no circumstances can they be mounted in an outdoor application. These locks can be installed on wood or metal doors. These particular locks are also meant to be installed on the jamb of the door. Here we will show the measurements of each lock in this video. In this section, we will show you all the features and unboxing of the electric strikes. All packaging is subject to change. This is the EL100 Fail Secure and this is the EL101 Fail Safe. These locks also count on low power consumption. They use 200 milliamps with 12 volts. All mounting hardware is included. Each lock will have its positive and negative outputs for power, and it will also include normally open, normally closed, and open outputs. These locks do not come with an LED indicator. The EL100 is our fail-secure lock which remains locked when power is off. Here we will show you that there is no power going to the lock and the latch remains locked. The EL101 is our fail-safe lock which unlocks when power is off. Here we will show you that there is no power going to the lock and the latch is unlocked and is able to open. When using these type of locks, they come with a door sensor that allows it to communicate with a network access control panel or standalone system. It will tell the system the status of the door if it's open or closed. The power supply is not included. For kits with power supply, please search for the following models. Kit number FPC-5390 is Fail Secure Kit with power supply. FPC-5391 is a fail-safe kit with a power supply. Here we will show you that this type of lock also works with a normal key. No matter if there is power or not, your key will always work. So for example, if your power went out, you can still lock it with your normal key. In addition, you can also use this type of lock with an access control system, as you can see here. Now we will show you how these locks are installed on the door.